Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen in the August, we have seen there is a sharp rise has come. Okay, and after making this particular high of around 1807, we have seen it is continuously moving down. Okay, and one important thing that you have to note that 1613 is a level which is already being tested 2-3 times, so chances will be very high. We can see it can fall further if the price goes or comes close to this particular level. Chances are very high we can see it can move further low, but otherwise after you look at this particular point, overall trend we have seen it is going upside in a ascending order, but it is quite volatile as you can see here. Okay, now what you can see looking at this particular chart, before we move forward and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, as you look at this particular chart, we can see a U pattern is trying to form. Okay, and after this U pattern, I have already explained you that after 1760 there was high chances that it can go further upside as there is a pattern forming. Okay, so chances will be very high that suppose if this level sustain, then what we can see, it can go towards a level of around 1797. Okay, and if this level sustain, then chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of $1800.52. Suppose if the price move above that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of $1808.59, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can go towards a level of around 1810. Okay, and once it sustain above 1810, keep this in mind, once it sustain above $1810.5, then this is the price which has not been come since July 2022. So chances will be very high it can go further high and can go towards a level of around 1826 to a level of around 1841, and these levels are already being tested here. So chances are very high we can see it can go and touch a level of around $1878 and then further upside if the price sustain, because this is the level where this has not come since long. So once if it goes above 1816 also, and if it comes back, then this will act as a strong support and we can see a bounce back can come on the upside. Okay, now as I've already told you that this market is moving upside but in a volatile range, so you cannot say that it will go directly blindly that it will move upside. Yeah, overall trend you can say it is upside, but what you can say, it is volatile. So you have to be prepared whether it goes up or down. You have to trail your SL or whatever you are in a position. Okay, and keep a limit for your particular loss, okay, per day or even weekly, so that it should not burden you with your wiping off your capital. You have to understand this. These are some of the strategies which I teach in my workshop. Okay, you can mail me and we can do the workshop if you want to. Okay, now look at this particular chart. What you can trying to see is that this is the range where the price of gold is moving. Okay, now you can say, suppose if it didn't sustain or if it goes below this didn't sustain, and if it goes below this particular level of around $1780, then chances are very high we can see it can move further down. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1784, and if that level goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of $1781. Okay, once the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1774, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $1764. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1759 to a level of $1752. Keep this in mind, once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of 1736.7. Okay, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1729. Okay, these are the few supports. From there we can see a bounce back can come, but otherwise if it goes below this particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of $1713 and then further down if the price didn't sustain. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Now understand something. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, and a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100 per trade. Suppose if you took 5 trades also, your maximum risk is $500, that is 100 per trade. Okay, suppose if you lose all 5 trades, your maximum loss will be $500 a day. So suppose if you lose this particular amount, it will not affect your psychology. You will not be in a hurry to recover your amount. You will focus more on profit. What people do is they lose so much money in this first day itself that they try to recover it and then they lose their full capital. This is what I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these things. Okay, how to strategize your trades and how to hedge your positions and all, how to patiently wait for the trades and all, etc. So if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.